In this video, I'll show you how to fix a deposit failed issue on Robinhood step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom corner, then go to Transfers and open your recent deposit to see the failure details. This can help you understand what went wrong. Next, check your bank account balance and make sure you have enough funds available. If your bank declined the transfer due to insufficient balance or restrictions, the deposit will fail. After that, go to Linked Accounts and confirm your bank details are correct. If needed, unlink the bank and add it again to refresh the connection. Now try making the deposit again by going to Transfer Money, selecting your bank, and entering the amount. Make sure your internet connection is stable while submitting the request. Also, avoid canceling transfers midway, as this can cause issues with future deposits. If the problem continues, contact your bank to check for any blocks on transactions. You can also go to the help section in the app and contact support for further assistance. Fixing this usually involves verifying your bank details and ensuring your account has sufficient funds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.